Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Let's head to St. Mary, Jamaica. This 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house is located in the popular Pompano Bay, Tower Isle, St. Mary area. The land area of this house is 16,335 square feet and the home has 2 gated entrances, a swimming pool, 3-door garage, and for the dog lovers, several dog kennels. The single-story home is well designed and laid out with spacious bedrooms and ensuite bathrooms. The location of this home is ideal because it is close to several amenities, including schools, shopping, beaches, and a short drive to the town of Ocho Rios. Other features of this home includes mixed styling, garden area, fully walled, and family oriented. The current price of this house is US $390,000 or Jamaican $61.1 million. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.